Hello guys, this video I'm going to showing you how to remove or erase something or some object from some pictures. For example, we want to removing and erasing this car, just going to using any selection tool. For example, I using a quickly selection tool, this object selection tool. I just now need to just a one click to make a border, and then I right click, going to delete and field, and now you can see it's remove it. But there have just one problem. So this problem maybe is not working in some planes. For example, if you see, if I make it a border automatically with my hand, you can focus, the line is removed in here. So it's maybe working a flat background and without something, without, for example, the line. Okay, and it's maybe working with just a some picture, not all pictures. So now this video has come to end. Thanks for watching. See you next time.